Well, Andrea, I in fact know about hurricanes pretty up close and personal. We lost our home in 2008 to Hurricane Ike, and so dealing with all of that aftermath is something that I remember quite clearly. We had the means to evacuate, so we were not there when our house was being flooded, but we also have some dear friends who lost their home to Harvey, and they were actually home when that event happened, which was, very frightening and very dangerous and just overall very devastating. So, having lived in Houston for so many years, we know what hurricanes are like. We know that you should try to get away from them if you can. And so I just, seeing them from up here, you see this massive, the power of it, it's eye-catching for one thing, and just wanting to share what that image looks like, to help people understand the seriousness of what they can bring when they make landfall, so that hopefully people will take every precaution that they can, that they're able to, if they happen to be in the path of something like that. I think it's been pretty real for me, the experiences that I've had. I think what seeing the Earth and the Earth's atmosphere from above really drives home for us the fragility of Earth's atmosphere, that this very thin layer is, when we see it, it looks like this very thin layer relative to the size of the Earth and relative to sort of the vast blackness of space. And so we see the atmosphere and we realize, that that's what's keeping us safe on our own spaceship Earth. And so it's very important to do what we can to protect it. And, the evidence of the increase in number of hurricanes, the intensity of hurricanes over the years is real evidence of climate change, and just hoping to share that message of this is something that that's real, that exists, that impacts human lives, and is something that we need to pay attention to and take action.